Hello, grammar students. Sorry for the technical difficulties. We're actually at school right now, all of the teachers, and we are creating the packets for next week. So I apologize. Yes, I made a mistake in my recording of today's video, and I didn't realize it till right away this morning. And so I just wanted to make sure that I at least was able to get a video out to you. So for grammar today, a lot of you know that it is exercise 3 tonight because you have your test tomorrow. And so today, though, is where you're going to actually be grading exercise 2 and submitting that score to me in your exit ticket. And so I gave instructions yesterday, and they're copied in there again today about how to do that. But I want to go over it briefly, and then I also want to talk to you about why we're doing that. So I'm going to share my screen very quickly. Share screen. We're going to go to this. Okay. So here is another written version of it that I just want to talk about. If you follow the steps, hopefully that you can understand how to calculate your score. The reason we do this is that each of the assignments and tests are going to be out of a wide variety of values, meaning 122, 204, 197, 153. It just depends on the sentence and the unit that we're doing. And so that we do this so that you actually kind of have an understanding of how you're doing. When you get your percent, that's kind of what we know, and that's what we get our grades in. Like an 85 is a B, a 90 is an A minus, a 75 is a C. And so by converting it to a percentage, like having that out of 100, you can kind of track how you're doing. Like, are you, oh, I got 2 C's in a row, but now I'm getting a B. That means I'm getting better. Ooh, I got a B on my assignment, and then I got like a D on the test. What happened? Maybe I need to go back and do something. And so it's a way for you and for me to kind of track how you're doing. And that's probably the best way since I can't meet with you in class, which kind of stinks. Hopefully soon we'll be able to start doing some face-to-face videos or face-to-face meetings so that you and I can maybe have more discussions about things that you're really struggling with if you're really just not getting something. Because grammar works really, really well when it's more of a discussion. And unfortunately, that's kind of what we're missing. So that's the reason why I do want us to record scores. But that means also that like I want your honest score, because the grade you're getting is not as important as me being able to track your learning, okay? So don't worry that you're gonna get a bad grade in grammar because you're getting like 60s and 70s. That's not the point. The point is to track your learning. Uh-oh, my computer's about, I gotta pause really quick. And then I just wanna talk really briefly, and then I'll let you go. All right, sorry about that. Okay, so I'm gonna stop sharing because now all you need is my face. And the last thing I want to talk about is I guess I probably should mention this because you probably are freaking out. I just have a little cut on my forehead, and I decided instead of like leaving it open and having it look all weird, I just put a Band-Aid on it because, I mean, who are you gonna see right now? So, okay. Your homework tonight is exercise 3, and you have those specific diagrams that I want you to complete. As always, if you want to diagram more, you are absolutely able and free and able to do so. The number one question I got from students about your diagrams is something I mentioned in yesterday's video, which is that the toenails underneath the object line, should they go on, like, does it matter what order they are in? And yes, it does. So think about if we did the red, like over the red truck. Over is our preposition on that diagonal line. Truck is our object. If you put the and red in the wrong spot, you are technically saying over read the truck. So you want to make sure that they go left to right the same way that we read something in the sentence, left to right. So if a article is on the left side and of each other and the red is on the right, then that's where it should go in your diagram. Your diagrams are supposed to be extremely specific, and they are supposed to be able to, like, somebody else should be able to come to them and read them and say, oh, I know exactly what that says. Okay. So again, sorry for the delay on the video. I'm going to post this here, and if you have any questions, as always, please send me a message. And again, the tracking of the scores is just so I can understand how you're doing, and I can give those students who are struggling more some more attention. Okay. Again, any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll talk to you later. Bye.